Alcohol, phenol, ether. Alcohol means compound containing ROH, where R, all of you know, that is alkyl group, right? R is a alkyl group, that is said to be alcohol. If in place of alkyl, if I, I have to write benzene and containing OH, this is phenol. Means benzene directly attached to the OH group, that is said to be phenol. But in some cases, see here, in the same benzene ring, if I am writing CH2 and then I am writing OH, this is said to be alcohol, and that is benzyl alcohol or benzyl alcohol or benzyl alcohol, as you said. So this is the difference between alcohol and phenol. Alcohol means OH group directly attached to the benzene ring, right? Now here alcohol, that is OH group attached to the alkyl group. Here alcohol are classified into, as we said, primary, secondary and tertiary halide. We have discussed in haloalkane halorine. Here we will discuss primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Same means OH group attached to the first carbon, primary carbon, then it is said to be primary. If OH group attached to the second carbon, that is secondary. If OH group attached to the tertiary carbon, that is tertiary. Means here, as if we know the concept of primary, secondary, tertiary, then it is very easy. Means halogen hydroxy attached to a carbon. If carbon linked with two alkyl group, then it is said to be secondary. If carbon attached to the three alkyl group with OH, that is said to be tertiary. This is the classification of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Now on the basis of number of OH group, mono, di and poly. Mono, di and poly. In case of mono means one OH group in a compound. Di means two OH group in a compound. Suppose that one OH group, then two OH group, or you can say poly means more than two OH group attached to the carbon. But here it is very clear, monohalide means one OH group attached to the compound. Di means two halogen, but the problem is here, in case of dihalide, it cannot be, OH cannot be attached to the same carbon. That compound is highly unstable. Whenever you are finding OH group attached to the same carbon that is highly unstable, it undergoes dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water to form carbonyl compound, C double bond O. Always it take care about this OH group attached to the same carbon. That is geminal alcohol cannot be formed. Vicinal, it's okay. Vicinal means what? Adjacent. One OH, other OH to the adjacent. This is said to be vicinal halide, as we know. Vicinal halide means OH adjacent. Geminal hydroxy cannot be formed, right? Now after that, here we will discuss same thing in phenol. In case of phenol, see, benzene ring directly attached to the OH. Here benzene ring containing OH, that is phenol, is attached to the position 1 and 2, then 1 3 1 4 1 3 1 4 1 2. So 1 2 is said to be ortho, 1 3 is said to be meta, 1 4 is said to be para. Ortho, para, meta. From these three categories, we know that para is more stable than meta and then ortho. Here in case of more stability of para, because the bonding is far away from each other, that is said to be ortho, para, meta, and more stable para. See, here we will discuss the structure of alcohol and phenol. Structure of alcohol and phenol, as we know, alcohol, that is ROH. Here, due to lone pair of electron present to the oxygen, there is a repulsion to the lone pair which is bonded. जो बॉन्डिंग है उस पे ये लोन पेयर क्या करेगा, रिपेल करेगा. ड्यू टू रिपल्शन it has tetrahedral position, right? And the structure is as shown here. See, this lone pair, due to that there is a repulsion and its structure become tetrahedral. That is, tetrahedral structure is to be formed, and the bond angle is 108.9 degree due to repulsion of lone pair. In case of phenol, we know that benzene ring directly bonded with O, and then there is a H, and the bond angle is 109 degree. Bond angle is 109 degree because there is also a repulsion of lone pair of oxygen. So that is the structure of phenol. Now here we will study preparation of alcohol, and that preparation of alcohol is given by from alkene. Alkene means what? Unsaturated carbon double bond. This unsaturated hydrocarbon is on hydrolysis, that is H2O undergoes Markovnikov's rule. By applying Markovnikov's rule to get alcohol, that is saturated alcohol. Now here always in case of propene, again reaction takes place to form as a Markovnikov's rule, that is secondary alcohol, here primary alcohol. Then how this mechanism takes place? See here, in case of mechanism, alkene when react with in presence of sulfuric acid, it undergoes hydration to form. The reaction is undergoes Markovnikov's rule. Here see, the reaction takes place. Mechanism: first step, protonation of alkene by the attack of hydronium ion. So here H2O react with water, react with H plus. This H plus is derived from acid because reaction takes place in presence of acid. So H plus, it react to form hydronium ion, that is H3O positive. This hydronium ion react with unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkene. So the reaction takes place. Here what happened? Protonation to the carbon, and there is a formation of carbocation, and water molecule is to be given out. That is the formation of carbocation. First step is formation of carbocation. Now see here again, this carbocation, this is carbocation. This carbocation react with nucleophile, and this nucleophile is a neutral nucleophile. Neutral nucleophile in which this water react with carbocation to form protonated alcohol. See here, this is the alcohol CS3 CS2OH, but this H is there, so that it is a positive charge. Here there is a positive charge, so it is said to be protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol undergoes deprotonation. Deprotonation means removal of H plus ion. So while H plus ion is to be removed, this cleavage takes place in presence of water to form alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol, and hydronium ion is given out. That is the mechanism. Here alkene, first step protonation, second step there is a formation of carbocation. That carbocation react with neutral nucleophile water to form as a product protonated alcohol. That protonated alcohol is on deprotonation to form primary alcohol. That is the mechanism, and it is a very very important point for the board exam. Now second preparation is given by the hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration means in presence of BH3 reaction takes place, or you can say reaction with diboron B2H6. Any unsaturated hydrocarbon when react with B2H6, that is BH3, to form, it always form primary alcohol. This hydroboration itself indicate addition of hydrogen and boron. So the reaction takes place here. Alkene react with hydroboration to form. Again, it follow according to the Markovnikov's rule. So hydrogen goes to that carbon across double bond, which is a less number of carbon, and BH2 join with terminal carbon. So in this way, all hydrogen is shifted to pi bonds carbon, and carbon is linked to form. To form, there is a bonding between this. That is, there is a formation of product as a CH3, CH2, CH2B. This part become thrice. Means all H is replaced by propyl because reaction with propene. So it undergoes propyl. This propyl when react with, that is hydrolysis. So formation of OH. There is a formation of alcohol. Reaction takes place in presence of peroxide. So in presence of peroxide, there is a formation of alcohol and H3BO3, boric acid. That is the product of hydroboration.